It's an old scam with a new twist. The Attorney General's office is warning drivers about the unpaid toll scam, now using AI to make those messages look even more convincing. It looks like an official notice from King County telling you to appear in court because of an unpaid toll, threatening fines if you don't. It's even signed by a judge. But look a little closer and you'll start to see the red flags.
There's another potential problem.
Assistant Attorney General John Nelson says the first thing to check is whether it actually contains any information about you.
Is my car's VIN number on there? Is my name, first or last name on there? A date of birth? Even the last four of a social, and the answer is almost going to be inevitably no, because they don't have that information.
Scam artists are getting more sophisticated, using artificial intelligence to create documents that look like they're coming from the government. It's the latest version of a phishing scam that has targeted drivers in Washington and across the country.
Typically, when you're dealing with the Washington Department of Transportation, Department of Licensing, you're not going to get texts like this.
The Attorney General's office says real toll notices don't come by text, they arrive in the mail. And they don't come from made-up agencies like the Department of Transportation Enforcement Division. Scammers are also getting more aggressive, threatening people with liens and bench warrants. Experts say that's exactly the point. The scam works by creating a sense of urgency.
When that urgency comes, people aren't looking at every single line. They're not hyper-analyzing everything. They want the problem to go away.
And if you get a call or a text from someone claiming to be from a government agency, the scammers aren't just trying to get money, they're also after your personal information.
So if you call them, for example, and you say, I didn't receive, I don't have a toll violation, this isn't me. They'll say things like, well, just give me your date of birth, your social, your address to confirm this, and I'll look it up.
Nelson says if a text, email, or call looks suspicious, contact the agency directly using a number from its official website. And when it comes to messages like these, the best response is no response at all. So if you get a text message that you think is a scam, report it to the Attorney General's office or the FTC, even if you don't fall victim to it. It helps authorities track how the scheme is evolving and can warn others before they actually might fall for it. The other thing that they're doing is they're also making these phone numbers local. So you might get a text from someone that says it's 206 or 253 or 425, and that makes it more convincing, thinking it's from a local government agency.
Yeah.
But they actually are spoofing those numbers.
Wow. And I wouldn't have known either, except these reports are telling us that watch out for these. So good to know.
It's amazing how many people are getting them.
Right. And I've gotten them.
And the links are very convincing because they say something like wa-gov, you think it's official. You definitely do not want to, be taken to court or have to pay a lien or anything like that.
Right.
So
very, very convincing.
That scares people.
Yeah. Well, now we know. We'll look out for it. Thanks so much, Mimi.